Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to fix TikTok could not access photos problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold TikTok, click on app info or I button, click on permission, turn on photos and videos permission, click on force stop and tap on OK. Now go to TikTok app, click on comment option and click on photo icon. Could not access problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.